نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Secretary, respected teacher, and dear children and all listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. तौहीद की अमानत सीनों में हमारे आता नहीं मिटाना नामो निशा हमारा. Allah has said in Surah Ikhlas and Surah Baqarah, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. وقال يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. There is no God but Allah. Allah is the creator and sustainer of the universe. Allah is one. Allah is one. He is created by name. He has created everyone. Allah is one. Allah is one. He has no father, no mother. He has no daughter, no son. Allah is one. Allah is one. He made the sky and the earth. He made the moon and the sun. Allah is Almighty and merciful. So we say Allah is one. There is none but one. Allah is one. Allah is one. Allah bless us and you. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
माशाअल्लाह.